Hello friends, so now we have to design a DFA accepting odd number of ones. So before starting this question, what we have to do is we have to identify the strings which will be accepted by this DFA. So now we'll find out the strings. Now this is the string having number of ones as 1, so this is the string. Then both the strings contain odd number of ones. Similarly, so these are the given set of strings which will be accepted by our DFA. Now out of all the strings, we have to find out the string of minimum length. So minimum length string is this and the length is 1. So the number of states will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now I also want to tell you that this particular formula is not valid for all the DFAs, but in general we apply it. Okay. So now we have to identify the minimum length string. The minimum length string is 1 and the length of the string is 1. So the number of states will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. As we know that we have 5 tuples in the DFA, so we have our initial state as well as our final state. So let's represent our initial state with Q0 and initial state is represented by an arrow. Also we will be having a final state, let's represent it with 1, Q1. So this is Q1 and we'll put a concentric circle which shows that this is your final state. Now the minimum length string will be input on the initial state and it has to reach the final state. So we can say that 1 is being accepted here. Now, as I have told you earlier that for every state I have to make the transition for the input alphabet 0 and 1. So for this state I have to make the transition for 0, 1. Similarly for this state, as I have done the transition for this state Q0, Q0 on 1 reaches to Q1. So we are done with this transition. Our question is focusing on number of ones, so we will first make the transition for ones. Now for this state I have to make the transition for this 1. We have two possibilities. Either we can have a self loop or we can have this back loop. We have to justify which one is correct. If I pick this, then what are the strings accepted? Start from the initial state and reach to the final state. The string accepted is 1. The self loop is optional, so we can take it any number of times. So 1, 2, 2 ones, then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, then 5 ones. Similarly any number of ones. So this is accepting odd number of ones, but it is also accepting even number of ones, which is against the question because it has to accept only odd number of ones. So we can clearly say that this particular transition is wrong. Now but we have to also justify this transition because maybe it can be wrong, so we have to make some other changes to this DFA. If I talk about this transition, we will start from the initial state, we have to reach to the final state. So 1 is accepted, then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones are accepted, then again start from the initial state and reach to the final state. Any number of times you can take this loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones are accepted, similarly 7 ones will be accepted. So if I follow this transition, it is always accepting odd number of ones. So we can clearly say that this transition is correct. So we are done with the number of ones. So I am done with this transition as well. Now for this state as well as for this state, I am left with the input alphabet 0. It clearly focuses on odd number of ones, means ones. So we don't have to focus upon zeros, we will simply put a self loop of 0 and we will see whether it is correct or not. Now those strings which we have selected according to our questions, we will verify whether they are correct or not. So 1 is accepted, 0, 1 is accepted, 1, 0 is also accepted, 0, 0, 1 accepted, 0, 1, 0 accepted, 1, 0, 0 accepted and 111 also accepted. So all the strings are accepted. Now also verify the strings which are not accepted. 0 is not accepted because it is ending on non-final state and this is your final state. So 00 ending on non-final state, 1, 1, 1, 1 ending on non-final state having even number of ones, so it is not accepted. 000 not accepted, 0, 1, 1 not accepted, then 1, 0, 1 not accepted and 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 not accepted. So we can clearly say that it is accepting odd number of ones and not accepting even number of ones. We'll also verify it by taking any random string, let's say 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So count the number of ones 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is having 6 ones, which is even number of ones. So it should not be accepted, but we'll verify it. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, ending on the non-final state, so it is not accepted. Then take one more example. So it is having how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 ones, which is odd number of ones. So it has to be accepted. Then verify it. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So it is being accepted. So we can clearly say that this particular DFA accepts all the strings ending with having odd number of ones. So this is the correct DFA for this. Thank you so much.